Well, number 10 of our top 11 list is that short-lived comets still exist in the solar system and indicate that the solar system cannot be billions of years old. Well, a comet is basically a dirty snowball that spends most of its time far from the sun in the deep freeze of space. But once each orbit, a comet comes close, very close to the sun, allowing the sun's heat energy to vaporize much of the comet's ice and dislodge the dust, forming the beautiful tails that we see. Comets have little mass, so each close pass to the sun greatly reduces a comet's size, and eventually the comets fade away. They can't survive billions of years. If the solar system is 4.5 billion years old, the comet should have burned up long ago. Well, the frequency at which a comet passes by the sun determines how long it will survive, and thus comets are classified as either short-lived or long-period comets. Short-period comets circle around the sun every 200 years or less. Halley's Comet is a short-period comet that comes by the Earth every 75 years or so. Long-period comets circle around the sun every 200 years or more. Well, two mechanisms can destroy comets: ejections from the solar system and collisions with planets. Now, ejections happen as comets pass too close to large planets, particularly Jupiter, and the planet's gravity will kick them out of the solar system. While ejections have been observed many times, the first observed collision was observed in 1994, when the comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 slammed into Jupiter. Given the loss rates, it's easy to compute a maximum age of comets, which is only a few million years. Obviously, their presence makes sense if the entire solar system was created only a few thousand years ago, but not if it arose billions of years ago. Well, secular scientists have answered this problem by claiming that comets come from two possible sources outside of our solar system. They propose that the asteroid belt shown here beyond the orbit of Neptune, called the Kuiper Belt, hosts short-period comets. However, in the past 20 years, astronomers have found thousands of asteroids which are assumed to be from the Kuiper Belt, and these asteroids are much larger and have a different composition than the comets are arguing against this conclusion. Long-period comets are believed to come from a much more distant area of the solar system called the Oort cloud, which is this blue ring that I'm going to show you here. This is known as the Oort cloud. Yet there is no evidence of this supposed Oort cloud, and there likely never will be. It is a theoretical necessity to explain the existence of comets in a solar system that is believed to be ancient. One of the most famous astronomers of this century, in fact, said this: "Many scientific papers are written each year about the Oort cloud, its properties, its origin, its evolution, yet there is not yet a shred of direct observational evidence for its existence." Who do you think said this? None other than Carl Sagan. Well, in the Journal of Creation, an article titled "More Problems for the Oort Cloud," Danny Faulkner says this. He says, "Since it cannot be detected, the Oort cloud is not a scientific concept. This is not bad science, but non-science masquerading as science. The existence of comets is good evidence that the solar system is only a few thousand years old."